Video, we are going to use the product description generator app to generate the product description based on the specification. Here I have the specification of the product whose description I want to generate. I'm logged into SparkFlows and I can see the various apps that are available to me. Let us start running the product description generator app. Here it gives me the introduction of how to use this app. And now let us upload the product specification. The product specification is now uploaded, and let's create the product description. So here we have the product description generated, and we can go ahead and download the specification, the description. Let us look at a high level of how the app can be edited or is created by the developer. So if here you see there are two stages, introduction and product description. And here I'm in the editor page and how this page was created from scratch. And here you see the prompts that are used, the temperature, the GPT model, and the rest of the details. Thank you.